So now what we're gonna do is basically start doing our deployment. And I know you're probably thinking, wait, but the website's not done yet. And that's right, it's not done yet. But at the same time, let's say for example, you wanted to deploy this website right now. Even though all of these pages are not dynamically coming from the database because we haven't set that up. But right now you need a portfolio online, right? So you need to have at least something online. So before we even jump to the databases, we're gonna start putting this on a different server, right? We're gonna put it on Heroku. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this one step at a time, and the very first thing that we gotta do is make sure you install Git. All right, so if you search here, install Git, you will find this page, Git installing Git. All right, you click there and it shows you for every single system. If you have a Linux, if you have a Mac, if you have a Windows, pretty much just follow the steps that it has there. For me, it's Mac, where I just come in, I download I think it's a DMG file, and basically download it and then install it, and that's it. Then when you come to your terminal, you come here and you say Git, and if it shows something like this, it means you have Git already installed. Now the next step that I want you guys to do is go to github.com, sign up for an account, right? Fill that out. Once you have an account, make sure you sign in. For me is CodingPhase at Gmail, and then let me see if I remember the password. I keep changing my password every 2 months or every month. But yeah, okay, so we're here, right? This is how it looks when you land on github.com. You go to your profile. Cool. All right, everything is fine. This is cool. Now the next thing that I want you guys to do is you're gonna come here, you're gonna click new repository, and you're gonna call it my portfolio. All right, so you're gonna call it my portfolio, and let's say node, my portfolio node. All right, click public. Don't click this, initialize this with a readme, do nothing. All right, just pretty much just leave it like that. Create a repository. All right, and that's fine. Now the next thing that I want you guys to do is you're going to go to source tree. You're gonna search this on Google, source tree, right? Basically it's a user interface for Git. So you're going to download this, download it for whatever system that you have, right? And then once you download it, you're going to log in with your account. All right, so let's say for example, I'm gonna delete this account, remove it. First download source tree. Like I said, you're going to be able to log in with either a Bitbucket account or with a GitHub account, right? I want you guys to download it, right? And make sure that you sign up with a GitHub account. All right, so what you're gonna do is, if you don't see this here, if you don't see any accounts here, what you're going to do is you're going to come to this little corner here, click accounts, you're going to go to add, and you're going to see this that says host Bitbucket, and you're going to say GitHub. When you do it through GitHub, you're going to come here and you're going to do a little something like connect account. It's going to bring you to a sign in to GitHub. You sign in with whatever was your email. For me, okay, always allowed. Copy this, save it. Okay, give this a little second. Save. All right, so we already have this here we are logged in with our account, right? For me, it's CodingPhase.com. Now remember this page that we had when we created the portfolio node on GitHub. We're basically gonna copy the stuff that's here, and we're going to go into our Atom terminal. We're gonna do this. Come here, and we're gonna copy this commands. So first of all, let me open a new terminal. Okay, put ls, that's fine. We're gonna do git init. All right. All right, then we're gonna say git add read. Well, we don't have to say readme. We just say git add. But before that, we gotta do a git ignore. Hold on, we gotta create a new file. It's gonna be .git ignore. All right, .git ignore, and we're gonna say node modules. Save that. So that's the file that needs to be in there. And then now we're gonna do git add, and then we're gonna say dot, and then git commit. I'm gonna say dash first commit. Okay, what did it say? Oh, that's my fault. I missed the M. All right. Let me see. So as you can see, it added all those files into Git. So what's important about Git is that it keeps track of all your files. Every time that you do changes, you can come here and save like a version of your project at any given time. And I'm gonna show you how everything works. Just give me a little minute so we could at least get this set up. So then from here, we're gonna copy this. As you can see, in case you closed this window before, that's fine. Just copy it from here. Git remote add origin, and then https://github.com/ whatever your username is, and then from there the name of the basically of the repo, which is my portfolio node.git. All right, you copy this, paste that in there. There you go. And then we're gonna do copy that. You're gonna say git push u origin master, which means hey, push to the origins master, which is on github.com. Now saying hey, I gotta authenticate. I got an authentication fail for github.com/CodingPhase my portfolio git node. If that is happening, that's fine. We're going to come here to our source tree. We're gonna go into here, and we're gonna click here, new repository. We're going to add existing locally. All right, and go into your projects, Node.js, click open. Okay, double click it so this opens up. Okay, then you should be fine. Now let me see, push that into master, and everything should be fine. All right, now if you're getting an error here on the command line, you can do a Google search on how to fix this. I mean, it shouldn't take that long. It's just you just gotta set up a SSH key and do the whole process, which I'm not really going to go into it right now, because in reality, most of my work when I deal with Git. I like to do it with source tree. It's a more professional way. It's better for us because we can actually see visually the commits that we create, and then we could push it, and it's so much easier. But at the same time, at some point you should fix this, connect your SSH, basically give your SSH key to GitHub so it can have it. But for now, we don't have to worry about that. All right, you can do that on your own time. That's gonna take up, I don't know, 20-30 minutes. But for now, basically we ready. That's it. That's all we needed to do. If we refresh this page, we will see all our files are on GitHub now. Okay, and everything that we're going to do it with source tree. Source tree just makes our life so much easier, guys. Trust me. When you're dealing with Git, it's one of the best tools that there is out there. Every professional company uses source tree. All right. Now, next thing that we want to do is we want to go to Heroku.com. All right. You're going to sign up for this. Sign up. All right. I'm going to come here and I'm going to log into mine. Once you sign up, you should see, I'm going to show you right now all the things that you should see. You should see a page like this. Of course, it's going to be blank because you guys are just creating one. But you're going to come here to the right. You're going to click on create new app. And you're going to say create whatever name that you want to give to your app. You could just say Portfolio Joe, whatever your name is, Portfolio, whoever it is that's creating it. Okay, create an app. All right. Now the next thing that you want to do is you want to connect to GitHub. You got CodingPhase.com. It's for me. For you, it's gonna say whatever GitHub account that you guys have. All right. Once you connect it, then from there you're going to come here and you're gonna say my portfolio. Search it, see which will show up. So as you can see, my portfolio node. You click connect. All right. Now, don't do anything for now. You could come here and click on enable automatic deploys. All right. Now, the next thing that we got to do is you're going to go to, I'm going to tell you right now, because I already did this before, github.com/JSG. Click my portfolio. And it's this file. This is the file that we need. Copy that. All right. So here on our project, we're going to create a new file called proc file. Just like that. No extension, no dot before it, nothing, just proc file. All right. As you can see, you got that little K, which means a Heroku file. And then here you're going to paste web node index. All right. We're going to come back to source tree. And as you can see, when we did a change, it showed it up over here automatically. It shows us, hey, a new file called proc file. We add that, right? We go to commit up here and we say we added proc file for Heroku. All right, but one thing too that I almost forgot, we gotta also change. See this node.index.js. what this is basically saying, hey, there's a Node app, right? But we need to give it the index, the server, right? So we're gonna say server slash server.js, save that file. Okay, it changed here, and basically says we added proc file for Heroku. Go commit. Says the content of the file will be added to the version control proc file. Do not show me this again. Press OK. Okay, got added. Now you see this little one right here. It shows us that we have a new change that we need to commit for the remote to have. All right. So basically, here is also showing it to us like, hey, like we haven't pushed this to the live site. All right. So we're gonna go to master, push it. Okay, there you go. All right, so it got pushed. Cool. Now let's come here. Let's go to, where is it? The Heroku app. Okay, we're gonna click on deploy branch. It says master. We're gonna click there, and we're gonna see here if there's any errors. All right, it's just going one by one. So what it's doing is basically doing what we did on manually on our local environment, where we say, hey, npm install is doing all of that. It's installing all the packages that it needs. And let's see, deploy to Heroku. Click view. Let's see if everything worked. It's loading. Another thing too is this is all free, but one of the reasons why it's free is because it's slow, right? Now, if you want to pay for the premium, I think it's like $7 a month or something like that, to basically make this live. Like it's gonna be live, but the only thing is that there's a premium to it. You see, like right now it's $0 a month. All right, so everything is on, but it takes a little while to turn on because it's free. So the very first time is gonna take a little while. Taking a little while though. All right, let me see. Deploy, compared, diff, deployment. Okay, saying didn't send any data, empty response. So there might be something wrong. Okay, let me figure that out. All right, guys, so this is what I figured out. Okay, one thing that I forgot was changing this, the app.listen, we need to put it process.env.port or localhost 3000, right? So basically just add this to your server.js. All right. Also, another thing that I wanted to do was basically you're going to come to your package.json. You're going to start create this line with it. So basically you're going to say scripts, and then you're going to say start, and then you're going to say node server, right? You will actually come here and just say server.js like that. And then after that, what you're going to do is you're going to come back to your source tree. You're going to click commit. You're going to have a couple of changes here. Commit all the changes. You're going to say yes, pushing to Heroku. Click commit. Click OK. Then the next thing that you want to do is go to your Heroku dashboard, whatever your portfolio Joe, portfolio Johnny, whatever your name is, right? Whatever you named it, go into there, go to your overview resources, go to the deploy, click there. Then you come down here and you click deploy branch, right? Manual deploy. click there, and then what it's gonna do is gonna pull in all your new changes, and it's going to deploy it automatically. All right, once this is done, then it's gonna tell you, hey, check out your app, and it's gonna give you a link down here. We're just gonna wait until that's done. All right, give it a little second. And one thing, like I told you guys from the beginning, this might be a little bit slower because, like, let's say right now it'll go fast because it's the first time loading it. But like, let's say a week from now, when you come to this website, portfoliojoe.heroku.app, herokuapp.com, matter of fact, right? When you come here, it might be a little bit slower. And that's because it's turning on the server for you, right? So it's like, it's not on 24/7. So basically, once you land on the website, then it turns it on for you. Now, if you want it to be on 24/7, you have to sign up for basically a membership for Heroku. Like you see how we have install add-ons, that's 0. Dyno information, you could come here, configure dynos. Like, let's say we wanted to upgrade to hobby. See, right now we have free dynos. So right now we have free hosting for us. If we want this to be like, you know, running all the time without no delay, we come here for $7 a month, and then that's it, you're good, right? That's all the hosting that you need. All right, guys. So far right now, everything is good. Our website is live. We now have our portfolio on herokuapp.com, and we good. All right, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, the whole deployment process is done. Every time that we come here and we click push to master, automatically when we click there, whatever changes we do gets changed on the website. All right, and if you don't see those changes, all you have to do is go to Heroku, login, go to your app, click deploy, and then come all the way at the bottom and click deploy branch master. All right, guys, so I'll see you guys later. Yeah, we here. Bye. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video that you just saw right now. I just want to remind you that, hey, check out the description below. Make sure you click in there, man. I have a couple of links, man, that's going to save you money, save you time, and get you on your journey as a developer, man. I have the best courses here of Udemy. I also have my courses here from Udemy. But at the same time, if you want to come to my website where I'm basically releasing courses every single day, you could sign up for a subscription that is 50% off, guys. Straight up 50% off from everything. You have the monthly subscription, $10 a month, $45 a year, one-time purchase, $150. A lot of people have been signing up. I have over 5,000, basically 5,000 people who have signed up to the website. Really enjoying the website right now, guys. Like, seriously. I'm over here breaking down topics that will be harder for a lot of people to learn, and now I'm making it easier and more accessible for you guys. You know, it's a very good discount. Basically, you're getting everything that you want for $10 a month. Every single day, new courses, new videos are being released. We're talking about over 20 courses for $10. It's the best way to save money, guys. And it's like, it's a really good way for you guys to get your career started with very little investment. All right, guys, so I'll see you guys later. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, and bye.